natin dito. Maraming salamat po sa oras para samahan kami. At yun po, sana po supportahan niyo po ang Friendly Fire. Malapit na po. Sinabi na ba na October na? Yes, October 23 po. Sana supportahan po natin ang esports film para sa atin to. Let's go.
Yep!
Ayan, sa inyong lahat, panoorin po natin ang Friendly Fire, directed by Mikhail Red. Makapanood po natin dito si Loisa Andalio, si John Silverio, si Ives Flores, si Colin Garcia, si Alodia, at yours truly, Bob Bailey. October 23 na po yan in all cinemas nationwide. Manood po tayo lahat. Let's go!
Yeah! Gotta show support!
Ayan, iniimbitahan po namin kayo lahat na manood this coming October 23rd. If you want to have a glimpse of how it's like being a professional player and the struggles that they face every day, and of course the hard work and effort they put into their craft, into what they're doing. So yun, panoodin po natin lahat this October 23rd.
Yes, gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa Black Cap Pictures.
Yes, let's go, Black Cap
guys.
Pictures!
I love you and Redmayne, maraming salamat sa lahat ng cast at sana po abangan nyo Friendly Fire, October 23 po yan.
And please support the film, no? Sobrang challenging gumawa ng ganitong movie, genre movie na sports film pa na ang daming characters and very technical rin siya and thanks rin sa games na gina Project Vendetta. And shout out rin sa younger brother ko na nandito. Co-writer and editor, and yung dad ko, Happy Father's Day, nandito. Si Raymond Red, meron silang booth every year dito mga G.I. Joes, mga vintage Joes doon, so check nyo. And Ram and Rain, and si Laika is here somewhere. Hello. And syempre, please, support this film. It's a film about not just gaming, feeling ko makaka-relate yun na it's about chasing your passion, your dream. True. And that's why I'm also thankful sa Black Cap Pictures for believing in a film like this.
Yes.
Na medyo iba. Yung genres, sports.
Salamat din sa pagpili. Sa
Of course, siyempre big fan ako. Like every year nga, pumunta kami in Toycon, nag-promote na rin kami dito before. And, thank you for the energy and the support. I hope pag pinost na namin yung trailer, share nyo, spread the word. Thank you.
Alright, so guys, mark your calendars because I'm sure you guys will really enjoy this movie. I've seen it firsthand, like all the effort and passion the whole team dedicated to this movie has captured what the gaming industry is. So if you guys are curious about it, napaka-legit niya. Yun lang masasabi ko. In a way, I'm very happy and proud of this and I can't wait for all of you guys to see it in person. So.
Alright, and we are very excited. Yes, go.
Dagdag ko lang po, baka kasi akala nyo, makaka-relate lang yung mga gamers dito. Pang lahat po siya, hindi lang siya about winning games, it's about winning in life. So yun lang.
Salamat. We're gonna have a shot with the crowd. Kasi
Kaya ako, kasi, para sa Friendly Fire, inaral ko talaga maglaro ng mga computer games. Pero ako kasi pag sa taping, nilalaro ko lang yung ML. So, ganyan lang. Pero yung character ko doon, so sniper siya. So, medyo dikit siya sa character ko dito kay Kai.
okay.
Pero wala kasi na bata ako, Sims lang nilalaro ko.
Kung pwede din naman ang Sims ako.
Maganda ng bahay,
Nilalaro ko.
Sims players, nasa kamay.
Sims.
Competitive ang Sims o hindi?
Palaki ka ng bahay, no?
That's your answer right there. Okay, balik ako ulit. Left to right. You can feel this. End of the world bukas, you need to get one teammate to play a game and save the world. Hello, just sino pipiliin mo? From this cast, from this team, one game to save the world. Bukas ang end of the world, sino hihilahin mo dyan?
Wala. Ang hirap naman yan.
Kaya daw mag-isa. Wala, buhat.
Hindi, kailangan ko ng tagabuhat. Wait na lang, tagabuhat sa akin.
Okay, yun yung answer niya.
Na nasindihan ako, siguro nung PS1 pa, yung Crash Bandicoot. Kasi pikon siya pag natalo ka parang, okay, game. Tapos pag hindi ko na kaya, kuya, pakitapos naman to. Kasi yung mga kapatid ko yung nag-introduce sa akin. Tapos, kung competitive talaga, League of Legends talaga eh. Mahina mag-bid eh. Hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, baka sipin yung challenger na yung ano ko. Platinum lang. Platinum diamond yung pinakamataas. Pero siya yung challenger. Mahilig siyang ma-challenge. Kaya challenger siya. So yun, parang League of Legends talaga yung...
The earliest I can remember is yung first Dota pa, Dota 1. Yeah, kasi I remember I was just 5 years old. Tapos yung eldest brother ko, siya yung gamer talaga. And then, tinuruan niya ako. It became a family game. Kasi,
Solid yung family game nyo.
kasi we're three guys. I have 2 brothers. So,
Okay, I see.
we will
Ibang project siya. Sobrang ano rin, upbeat, aspirational and inspiring. Iba sa mga past works to.
May mga ano ba, mabilis mamatay sa game? Sino mga pasok? Parang take lang, take 2 tayo, matay ka na naman.
Limes. Ako pa talaga.
Okay. My question comes from a fellow gamer. Okay, so at some point in your life, you were introduced to gaming by, doesn't matter, Tetris, Solitaire, so, Minesweeper, di ba? But yung first game that you felt na medyo competitive, parang, gusto ko itong talunin. Whether it's an RPG, whether it's a first-person shooter, whether it's a, I'm gonna start off muna. I'm gonna go from left to right.
Alright.
Alodia, I want to hear your voice again. What was the first game that you felt that you had to be competitive? Papatulan ko to. Alam mo yun? I'm like, I'm gonna make sure I...
Ng first game, compute nila age. Alright, so first competitive game definitely was the first online game in the Philippines, Ragnarok Online. So I was part of a guild called Steel Wolves, and every Saturday talagang we have to like form, we have to what do you call that, defend our Imperium. So yeah.
So sa sa direct, thank you Alodia. So meron kong Ragnarok. So direct meron ka rin siyempre. You're a gamer.
Ako siguro, sobrang old school na rin, pero yung OG Diablo 2, nung nagkabata.
Sino Diablo players?
Kasi Battle.net dati sa US East pa. So, dahil ang pangalan.
Derek is ang solid na freshman yan. Freshman.
First time ko nakabuo ng Rune World. So, sobrang adik ako ng Diablo 2 dati.
Hindi ka ba nag-freak out na nakita mo si Butcher? Like the first time that you encounter.
Pero Diablo 1 yun.
Yes, a 1 yun. But like 3 comes back. 2 there was a, but at least,
Pero ngayon, nagda-Diablo 4 ako. May bagong season yung Loot Reborn. So.
Okay. Invest?
Ako naman, short story lang. So, during nag-shoot kami ng Friendly Fire, marami kasing Valorant players sa set. So, yung character yung naglalaro ng Valorant, nagliligaw. And then, naglalaro ako ng Guild Wars 2 na RPG. Tapos, parang nanila ako na curious ako na, okay, try ka nagkalo. Ito, nag-CS naman ako. Tapos, parang ang hirap ng mga kalaban. Sabi ko, ito yung gusto kong game. Yung napapalaban ako. So, ay, practice every day. And then, 8 months ako Valorant. So, I did Immortal. Ngayon,
Umabot ka.
6 months lang. Immortal.
Congratulations. So yun yung talagang kinareer mo. I just really want to be good at
Every day, more... Ilang oras na naglalaro araw-araw. Pag walang taping, mga 16 hours.
O nga, di naman, mga taping.
I have no idea. For real. I just saw it like, sila Gerald Uy, Anime PH, like we got friends there, parang like, Dragon Egg. It's like, what's a Dragon Egg about?
You really wanna know?
You guys don't want to know. You guys can do better, right? You guys want to know. You guys want to know. They want to know.
Okay. Alright, so I guess, yeah. Well, player 3 has joined the party.
Toycon official? Toycon official.
Yes,
Player 3
officially.
has entered the game.
Yes, player 3 has entered the game.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
What a reveal!
Congratulations. Ang wild. That's probably gonna go viral as this. That's pretty wild. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I am also curious about this Friendly Fire. movie. I saw the trailer 2 days ago, courtesy of our friends from Black Cap Pictures. And so I was like, steady to you know, like, can you tell us more about the movie? Are we gonna see something revealed dito sa ToyCon 2024?
Yes, definitely. So I'm really happy and honored to present the Friendly Fire trailer here at ToyCon. So you guys will have a sneak peek of what it's all about. But of course, I don't want to spoil much.
Yeah, bawal yun. No
I can't
spoilers.
spoil much. And I first want to call on our director, Direct
Nandito.
Mikhail Red,
Direct Mick.
to help us
Alright.
present the video to you guys.
Direct Mick is a multi-generational part of the hobby community. Direct
Yes.
Mick, you're gonna have to give